Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and today we are doing another CVS shop with me. See what good deals we have. In case this is your first time watching this video of mine, I do these and upload these every Thursday, and it's currently Sunday. I normally record these on Sundays, but I give myself a few days to edit and all that jazz. So I upload it on Thursdays. So that gives y'all 2 more days to get these actual sales that's going on in these videos. But better late than never. And normally the stuff I go for is the stuff that appeals to me. Not necessarily the, like the free deals and stuff like that. I'm not looking for free product. I'm looking for stuff that I would want in my collection already, just for a lot better prices. So it's normally makeup, but there's other things too, of course. But yeah, let's see what we can find in this paper. Alright, so this is what the paper is this week, May 17th through the 23rd. Not really too many things are popping out to me, but I did look in my CVS app. And you can find like over 100 different coupons that you can add to your card through the CVS app. So I did look through there and I found at least one more deal that's not in this paper that I wanted to get. And it was the LA girls, and you can get any product and get $2 off. And it didn't have like a spend so much, get the $2 off. So yeah, I don't know what I'm going to get out of that yet, but I know I want to get at least one product and get the $2 off. But not necessarily what you see is in the paper is what they have on the floor. Most of the time they have more stuff out on the floor, but then again, they might not have all their tags up. So, like, not all things in the paper is inside, and vice versa. But anyways, so nothing on the front page really interests me. I'm not into Revlon or Neutrogena because they're not cruelty-free. I'm into the cruelty-free journey on the makeup. So, and here's the second page. And normally you can get a lot better deals on cereal than the 2 for $6. A lot of times they're like $1.99 cereals, so I won't be getting cereals unless I see different on the floor. These are the 2 things that I saw. I want to get $15 worth of Covergirl, which I already have my mindset. I want to get the, I think it's called 3-in-1 foundation. The age, I don't know. I'll show you when I get inside, but it's like a $20 foundation, and I'll get the 6 extra bucks because I need to spend $15 in order to get 6 extra bucks. And then I saw this, the Burt's Bees Acne or Facial Care available. Spend $20, get $5. There was a night cream I wanted to get, and it was like, I want to say $22.99, so I'll get those 5 extra bucks. But that's pretty much all I saw on the paper. But we'll see if I see anything else inside that I didn't see on the paper. I'll quickly show you what else is on the paper. And don't mind the trash in the background of my car. I know I need to clean it out. Maybe I'll do it tomorrow. Maybe I won't. But mostly it's just drink bottles and boxes from the mail and stuff. But yeah, that's what we're seeing in the paper. What's the Coke thing? Buy 2, get 3rd free. Normally they're like, is that on the Cokes? Yeah. Normally they're like almost $6 a piece, so that'd be like 3 for $12. I might get some Cokes again. I need some water, so I might pick that up with my extra bucks. We'll see. let's go inside. Alright, here is the first deal I'm very interested in. Spend $15 on any CoverGirl cosmetics, get 6 extra bucks. And the thing I want to get this week is this CoverGirl Simply Ageless Foundation. I think I'm going to go with 205 Ivory, because I think this one will be just a little too light. So yeah, I'll get this one. And that retails for $19.99, so I'll get the 6 extra bucks for this. Okay, this is our LA Girl like stand or display. And it's got 2 sides. And like I said, it's not that great of a buy. This week is not on sale at all, but there is a $2 off of one cover or LA Girl product, and I really want one of these eyeshadow palettes. As you know, I've been wearing blues a lot here lately, so I think I will get this LA Girl Pro Mastery eyeshadow palette. I think that's how you pronounce it, for $14.99. And then I'll get the 2 extra, or I'll get $2 off of it with the CVS app coupon, and then I'll also get a 20% discount because I work here. But yeah, there's the colors on the back. It'll be a lot different than the looks I've been doing, so yay. There isn't a tag up yet, but the Burt's Bees any facial care, spend 20 get 5. And here's the display of the Burt's Bees, and have a lot of the facial wipes. Have the micellar water. I think I want a nice firming night cream, and it's retailing for $2.99 or $22.99. And then I should get how many extra bucks? 5. I do see that the Milani is buy one get one half off, which is a great deal for most people, but I think I can do better than that. There is clearance, but that excludes clearance. So I think I'll wait on this, because I already get a 20% discount. I'd rather get extra bucks than the buy one get one half. But I'm waiting on these clearance products to go to 70% off, because right now, like, if there was only one left, I would buy it for 50%, but there's plenty left, and I think I could wait until it went further down. Alright, sorry about the background noise. It is currently raining off and on pretty hard, so yeah, let's just breeze right through this. I'm going to save this. Okay, so this is the Burt's Bees Renewal moisturizing cream, or the night moisturizing cream. Original price was $22.99. I had 12 extra bucks to use from my last transaction. Like previously before this, because I've spent so much on beauty products. But anyways, I got an employee discount of $4.60. That's 20%. And right here is where it says Beauty Club extra bucks. That's how I had the 12 extra bucks off from right here. So my total was $7.03. And let's see, today's savings was $16.60, which is a savings value of 72%. And let's see, here is the second transaction, was the CoverGirl Olay foundation in Ivory. It was originally $19.99, and then I had 11 extra bucks that I got. How did I get that? Okay, 11. Okay, so 3 of it was from the CVS app, and another 3 was from the Covergirl, I think it was from the app too. And then the $5 was from the extra bucks from the Burt's Bees moisturizer from the previous transaction. And that gave me $11 off. And then I got an employee discount of $4. That made it out to be only $6.29 that I had to pay for that night cream. And that meant I saved $15, and that's a 75% savings value. Then the next transaction was I bought 2 of the juices. Let me show you, since I didn't show you when I was actually buying it. These was 50% off. I guess they're just not getting bought, but it's the gold emblem, whatever. Cranberry mango juice cocktail. And another juice was 50% off, so I picked that up. And it was the Ocean Spray pink cranberry juice. And then I also got the LA Girl palette that I showed you. And that's in this transaction. So the juice was originally $3.49, and I think I paid $1. I think that's how it went. I don't know. Anyway, and then the original for the Ocean Spray juice was $4.79, and the LA Girl palette was originally $14.99. I got an employee discount of $3. The $2 was off of the CVS app. $2 off of the LA Girl Cosmetics. And then I also had the $6 off the extra bucks from the previous thing with the Covergirl. So I applied that one to this, and I only ended up spending $9 for all the 2 juices in the LA Girl palette. $9.73, which that was a total of $15.15 of savings, which gave me a savings value of 65%. And then my last transaction was, so I wasn't expecting that to spit me out some extra bucks. So it gave me, what was it, 6 extra bucks? Yeah, it gave me 6 extra bucks. And it said it was from the Spend 12 on LA Girl. So it wasn't sign up, and I didn't know nothing about that. Was not expecting the extra buck to come out, but it did. So I went back and got the Joa concealer. Let me show you that. So I picked up the Joa concealer because I've been wanting it anyways, but I didn't see it on sale, so I wasn't planning on getting it. But hey, I got that extra buck, and how much was this? It was $7.99, and I had a $6 extra buck. So yeah, I did get like the 3rd lighter shade that we had at the store, just because the other 2 lighter shades was out. So hopefully it'll be okay on my skin color, but if not, I'll try to make it work the best I can. But yeah, so I only spent $103 after taxes for that concealer. And that's a $7.60 saving, and that's 95% savings value. So the total of it, I saved $54.35. I paid only $24.08, which is a like 66% savings value. So I'm really happy with this. I got a few, it was a lot better than I was expecting. Whew, the rain is pouring down, girls and guys. Oh my gosh. You can hardly hear me. And I got rained on trying to get in the car. Look at the trees. Where is it? You can't see nothing. Anyways. Alright, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I got rained on for you guys and everything, but I am really happy with the products I got. I can't wait to use them. Yeah, if you're into these videos, gosh, click on the link down below of my previous CVS Shop With Me videos, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next week. And I will see you next week on my next CVS Shop With Me video. Bye!